Leica cameras have a storied history of exceptional image quality. Their latest model, the Leica SL3, promises to continue that tradition. With innovative features and performance, this new full-frame mirrorless camera could be Leica's most exciting release yet. Stay tuned to find out what makes the SL3 truly special. The rumored Leica SL3 has some exciting features that make us think it could be Leica's most compelling mirrorless camera yet. With the same exceptional 60-megapixel sensor as the M11 and Q3, image quality is sure to impress. According to the specs, the SL3 will have a slightly more compact body than the current SL2 while retaining robust weather sealing. This should provide an ideal balance of portability and durability for photographers on the move. Compared to its predecessor, the SL2, the SL3 packs an upgraded stabilization system, faster burst shooting, and phase detect autofocus to better handle action. The rumored 6.5 stops of stabilization is a major jump up from the 5 stops in the SL2. This added stabilization will let you slow shutter speeds way down for sharp low light shots. And with reported burst speeds up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, the SL3 leaves behind the 10 frame per second limit of the SL2 for capturing more fast-moving moments. The SL3 will also leap ahead with phase detection autofocus, while the SL2 relies solely on contrast detection. This will be useful for photographers shooting active subjects like sports, wildlife, and children where split-second timing is critical to getting the shot.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The reported 9 frames per second continuous shooting speed will also help freeze the action. Video shooters will also appreciate the SL3's 8K and 4K 60p capabilities, which outpace the 5K and 4K 30p limits in the SL2. The ability to record smooth, detailed footage at up to 60p in 4K will appeal to hybrid shooters. And the inclusion of Cinema 4K and S35 crop modes shows Leica understands their need for flexibility in post-production. According to reports, Leica is already testing models out in real-world conditions. This level of field testing means the SL3 should launch with reliable performance straight out of the gate. Leica has a reputation for rigorous quality control, and we expect the SL3 to uphold that tradition. Having access to that same remarkable 60-megapixel M11 and Q3 sensor in a more ergonomic mirrorless body is enticing indeed. It's sure to deliver the gorgeous color rendering, fine tonality, and dynamic range that make Leica sensors so revered. When combined with Leica SL lenses designed for maximum resolution, the SL3 seems poised to deliver some of the most stunning image quality on the mirrorless market. The more compact body compared to the SL2 will also be a boon for traveling photographers and day trippers wanting to travel light without compromising on image quality. Being able to comfortably carry the SL3 and a couple of superb SL mount lenses should make it easier to capture amazing images on the go. And with a body that is still fairly robust and weather-sealed, the SL3 provides that critical reassurance the camera can keep up with your adventures. No need to worry about light rain or dust while working on location. Leica builds its cameras for real-world use and longevity, and the SL3 looks to continue that reputation. Finally, the fact Leica is already testing SL3 models out in the field is very reassuring. This level of real-world verification means any kinks or bugs can be resolved before launch. Given their reputation for reliability and everyday dependability, it's exactly the proactive field testing you would expect from Leica before releasing a new flagship camera. Overall, if the rumored specifications prove accurate, Leica appears poised to deliver its most well-rounded and technologically advanced mirrorless camera to date in the SL3. It seems ideally suited to please demanding photographers and hybrid content creators alike. For those invested in the phenomenal SL series lenses, the SL3 looks to provide high-resolution imaging capabilities to enable those optics to fulfill their ultimate photographic potential. So, that's all about why the Leica SL3 could be the most exciting Leica. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.